It's a manicure massage. Apply this hack. This is one of the best hack for your manicure. So this is an amazing remedy. Apply this aloe vera gel and then wash with lightning shampoo. This is a special serum for your hand mask. This is one of the best mask. I hope you like my today video. Next video is for bridal bun. This is one of the best and amazing video. So don't skip the video. Every time I bring for you very special types of fashion, like hair fashion, like a manicure, pedicure, or bridal fashion, hair fashion. So this is one of the best video of the manicure massage. So apply this remedy in weekly. So this is one of the best amazing. This is for bridal bun idea, and this is one of the best bridal bun. I hope you like my today video because this is a special bridal bun, and you can make these types of buns easily because all the types of the buns are difficult, but this is one of the best and easy step for the bridal bun, and you can learn this type of buns easily. So I hope you like my today video. If you are newly in my channel, I'm requesting you that you please subscribe my channel. This is very beautiful and stylish bridal bun. Now these days this is 2024 fashion. This is called rosy bridal bun, and I hope you like my today video. So thanks for watching fashion